Hello my dear students, today we are going to see probability part 4. In this part 4 we will see about simple event and compound event. What is simple and what is compound event we will see now. Okay. See, event with a single outcome. If you are getting a single outcome, if you will get single outcome, it is called as single event or simple event. It is called as single or simple event, no problem. Okay. So event with a single outcome, is called as simple event. Always the numerator for the simple event will be 1. There will be only 1 at the numerator, at the place of numerator in the simple event. Okay. Now in the compound event, it is the combination. If you are getting 2 or more simple event, event is called as compound event. That means the numerator should be more than 1. If it is getting 1, it will be simple. If it is getting more than 1, it is called as compound event. Now we will check with the example, the probability of rolling a 2 on a die. Now if you take a die, Ludo, you used to play Ludo. With the Ludo you will find a cubical object is called as die. If you roll a die and throw, what will be the probability of getting number 3? How many 3s will present on it? Only 1 3, that is 1 out of how many? 6. Okay. Next example, the probability of a tossing a coin and getting head 1. Okay. If you toss a coin, how many times? Single coin. How many times? What is the chance of getting head? Only 1 time. Out of how many? 2. That means head and tail. From head and tail you will get only 1 time head. That is 1 by 2. Next, in the compound event, the probability of rolling a number less than 4. If you take a die, and what will be the probability of getting the number less than 5? Okay. On the die, what will be the numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Less than 5 means 1, 2, 3 and 4. How many we can get? Less than 4 means how many it will get? 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3. That is 3 out of how many? 6 events. Okay. The probability of tossing 2 coins. If you take 2 coins and if you toss the 2 coins at a time, then what will be the probability of getting head from 2 coins? Either you may be getting 2 heads, or first head, second tail, or first tail, second head, or both the coins also tail. So how many times? At least 1 head. How many times? 1, 2, 3. That is head, tail, and head, tail. Next one is tail. Need not to take this one. Only head means 1 head. At least 1 head means 1, 2, 3. How many times it is getting? 3. Out of how many? 4. 4. Okay. Now if you go for the subjects Hindi, Telugu, English, Mathematics, Science and Social. If someone asks you, get the textbook of mathematics. How many textbook you are taking? Only 1. Out of how many? Out of 6 textbook. Then it is simple event. Someone asks you to get mathematics, science, social, English and Telugu textbook. You are taking how many textbooks? 5 textbooks. Out of how many? 6. Then it is compound event. Okay. Numerator is getting 1. Here the numerator is getting 5. So this is the difference between compound event and simple event. It is compound event and it is simple event. Simple event, always the numerator will be 1. In compound event, it is more than 1. It is the combination of more than one simple events. It is the combination of more than one simple events. We will see with one example here. I have taken some colors here. This is red. From now, if I ask you, what is the probability of getting the pink color in this one? How many pink colors are there? 3. How many pink colors? 3. Out of how many? 7. Out of 7 you are getting only 3. Then it is, how many pink colors are there? 7. Sorry, 3. Out of total, how many? Total are 7. Then what will be the probability for this one? 3 out of 7. Then it is compound. It is compound. Now, what is the probability of getting the red color? How many red colors are there in this one? Red. Red, only 1. Out of how many? Out of 7. It is simple. It is simple. Now, if I take red, blue, green, yellow, okay. Red, blue, green, yellow, pink, red. Okay. What is the probability of getting the blue color? 1 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 out of 6. 1 out of 6. It is simple. Okay. Like that. What is the probability of getting the red color? It is only for blue. Okay. For red color, 2 out of how many? 6. Then it is compound. 2 out of 6. It is compound. It is compound. Hope everyone understood. Please keep watching my videos and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.